Welcome to today's 24-hour global financial update. Today's focus: the United States has imposed high tariffs on imported copper, with COMEX copper futures reaching a historic high. U.S. President Trump announced a 50% heavy tariff on imported copper, aiming to boost domestic production. The new policy is expected to take effect on August 1st. In addition to copper, industries such as pharmaceuticals and semiconductors are also facing high tariffs, with pharmaceutical tariffs reaching as high as 200%. Following the news, COMEX copper futures surged nearly 10%, hitting a new record. Regarding whether tariffs will drive up prices, White House economic advisor Milan stated that there is no obvious impact yet, and prices of imported goods are still declining. However, some economists warn that U.S. prices may still rise in the coming months and deserve attention. Bank of America and Goldman Sachs both raised their year-end S&P 500 targets. Bank of America raised its target to 6,300 points and Goldman Sachs to 6,600 points. U.S. consumer credit growth in May was weaker than expected, and consumers have become more cautious. The one-year inflation forecast fell from 3.2% to 3%. Now to the market movements. U.S. stocks were mixed. Dow Jones fell 0.37%, S&P 500 edged down 0.07%. Nasdaq rose slightly 0.03%. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield rose to 4.40%. The U.S. dollar index hit a two-week high. Gold edged down. Crude oil held firm at $68. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum rose. Key events to watch today. The Trump administration may address debt pressure through inflation reduction and rate cuts in the future, and progress in trade negotiations with the EU is also worth investors' attention. Thank you for watching today's market news. If our information is helpful to you, please hit the like button and follow for daily global market insights. We'll see you next time.